Okay, this is my latest ultrasonic sensor. It is the same size as before, but it has some nice features. It now uses a system which doesn't need an address, so it is daisy chained, so each unit automatically gets an address. You just use the pads on the bottom. I have connected other pads in order to debug. So let's see what it does. It gets 5 volts from USB, also UART to USB, and it gets 12 volts from my lab supply. It can be powered, the high voltage can be powered from anywhere between 5 volts and 30 volts about, but 12 volts give it enough range. So I have written a program for a PC in C#. I don't know if it's focusing, but basically I can connect and then I can search for the sensors, and it's only found one sensor in the net, and I can then calibrate that sensor, which it is now doing. It will take some seconds and then it will be done. I can then retrieve calibration from the sensor, and here we can see the vector that is calibrated. I then have another tab, which is the graphing tab. We can select the sample speed, let's say 100 Hz, start sampling, and you see here that it's sampling. Now it's out of range because it's not seeing anything, but I can play a bit with it with my hand, and you can see that effect on the screen. Something like this. Sometimes it gets too long measurements and it gets out of range, but the range is about 30-40 centimeters, nearly 50 with my hand, and my hand is a soft target, so it can see better. If we have like the share instead, then it can see much further, about 50-60 centimeters. Well, that's about it. I will continue programming and connect more units in the net to see if it's working. There's a limitation of 255 units in the same net, and then it's just 3-4 wires to connect all of those units.